Johnny Depp releases new evidence against Amber Heard. The last few years have been nothing if not turbulent for Johnny Depp. Ever since 2017, he has been engaged in a series of court battles against both his ex-wife Amber Heard as well as a newspaper in the form of The Sun. Amber Heard furious at Johnny Depp for releasing new evidence. The reason for these court battles is that Amber Heard, the newspaper The Sun, picked up that story and put a scandalous headline on its front page as a result. Johnny has been waging war and taking hits ever since, but now a potential redo might be in order. Allow us to break it down for you. And there you have it, everyone, a look at the case that is going on with Johnny Depp and how he intends to use Amber Heard's proven lies to go and clear his name and get justice for himself. Do you think that this tactic to get a retrial will work, or will the judge rule against him and set him back even further in trying to prove his innocence? Amber Heard was extremely successful after divorcing Johnny Depp. She got cast in the biggest movie franchise of her career, DC's Aquaman, became the spokesperson of cosmetics giant L'Oreal Paris, as well as American Civil Liberties Union ambassador for women's rights with a focus on gender-based violence. So many people even claim they have never heard about Amber until this infamous divorce. Had no idea who she was until that divorce. I didn't even know that it was her who played Mara, one fan said. However, the tables have turned and now Amber Heard is finding that her career as an A-list Hollywood actress might be over. She has reportedly been kicked from Aquaman 2 and she is about to lose the contract with L'Oreal Paris. So what was the reason for all of these problematic events for Amber Heard? Apparently, her well-planned strategy to ruin Johnny Depp's life have been shattered. And now, no one believes that Amber Heard is an innocent victim as Johnny showed in court undeniable evidence of Amber being an abuser. Audio, text messages, and so on. Heard lost the appeal to dismiss Johnny Depp's $50 million defamation lawsuit, and we learned that the Aquaman star could be facing up to 3 years of jail time if found guilty of manipulating evidence against her then husband. But even beyond the former couple's seemingly never-ending legal battle, Heard has come under a lot of fire after evidence presented to the court as part of the lawsuit revealed that she's physically and emotionally harassed Depp while twisting the narrative in her favor and painting the Pirates of the Caribbean actor as a domestic abuser. In fact, the petition to remove her from Aquaman 2 recently reached a whopping 400,000 signatures and is on its way to passing the 500,000 threshold. This is essentially the same kind of backlash and blacklisting that Depp had to endure a couple of years ago. So you can see why fans of the legendary star are asking for justice with such fervency. And now, according to a report by Cosmic Book News, Warner Bros. has gone forward with firing Heard from Aquaman 2 by buying out her contract. Also, there was one more petition against Amber Heard. A liar and an abuser, a shame for women, begins one of the two Change.org campaigns to remove Amber Heard, 33, from her role as global spokesperson for cosmetics brand L'Oreal. And yet, she has claimed in her court declaration countering ex-husband's $50 million defamation suit against her that her career took a serious hit and she received death threats that forced her to constantly keep on changing her contact details. Here is what Amber declared in her motion to dismiss Johnny Depp's lawsuit filed in Fairfax County, Virginia Circuit Court. Following my highly publicized separation from Johnny, I read accounts in the media referring to me as a victim of domestic violence. In response, many people called me a liar, without ever hearing my story. I was dropped from a global fashion brand's upcoming campaign. I lost a part of a movie in which I had already been cast. People I have never met or spoken to threatened me with violence. I received so many death threats I had to change my phone number on a near-weekly basis. Isn't it fair that her career might be over with Johnny as it started with him? As reported by MEAWW earlier. Although Heard's career in the entertainment industry began in 2003 when she appeared in two music videos, Kenny Chesney's There Goes My Life and Isley's I Wasn't Prepared, and went on to star in an array of TV shows and movies. Her career really took off in 2015, the same year when she married Depp, when she had prominent roles in 4 mainstream movies. There are many tales in Hollywood about certain stars going and running their own career, mainly because they go and do acts that ruin themselves by exposing their true selves. Like with Kevin Spacey and the nastiness that he partook in. In the case of Amber Heard though, her destruction has been much more of a slow burn, mainly because she's tried to convince people she's one thing, but got caught and revealed that she's actually something else entirely. Amber Heard has been the center of attention of many controversies since her nasty divorce with the Rum Diary co-star and the popular Hollywood celebrity Johnny Depp. The actress, who has been a part of the Warner Bros. And DC Universe Aquaman, the spokesperson of cosmetic brand L'Oréal Paris, as well as American Civil Liberties Union ambassador for women's rights, has been getting negative responses and strong hate, and it seems that she might have ruined her own career. In fact, if sources are to be believed, the actress may not appear in the second installment of DC's Aquaman that will be released in 2022. And according to multiple websites, the actress has been replaced by Game of Thrones star Emilia Clarke. How Amber Heard destroyed her own Hollywood career in her attempts to defame Johnny Depp. Amber Heard's career started in 2003 when she first appeared in two music videos, Kenny Chesney's There Goes My Life and Isley's I Wasn't Prepared, and went on to star in an array of TV shows and movies. Her career really took off in 2015, the same year when she married Depp and when she had prominent roles in her 4 mainstream movies. She played the lead in the comedy drama Magic Mike XXL, which, like its predecessor, Magic Mike of 2012, was a huge box office success. Heard also starred in the critically acclaimed historical drama The Danish Girl and the independent crime thriller The Adderall Diaries. She also appeared in the television film One More Time. Although she appeared in different television shows and a few movies, but she was not in any way equivalent to Johnny Depp in fame or standing in Hollywood. After she married Depp, her position in Hollywood solidified and she started getting more recognition. After her divorce from Depp, she landed the biggest role of her career in the form of Warner Bros. Aquaman, in which she played the character of female lead Mara alongside Justin Momoa. Aquaman became the 5th most profitable release of 2018 and the most profitable DCEU installment till that point. But things started changing when new evidences came to light. Initially, most of the people were supporting Amber in her fight against Depp, but when audio and videotapes of Amber Heard threatening Depp were released, many people were shocked and furious at Heard. So many people even claim they have never heard about Amber until this infamous divorce. Had no idea who she was until that divorce. I didn't even know that it was her who played Mara, one fan said. However, the tables have turned and now Amber Heard is finding that her career as an A-list Hollywood actress might be over. She has reportedly been kicked from Aquaman 2 and she is about to lose the contract with L'Oréal Paris. So what was the reason for all of these problematic events for Amber Heard? Apparently, her well-planned strategy to ruin Johnny Depp's life have been shattered. And now, no one believes that Amber Heard is an innocent victim, as Johnny showed in court undeniable evidence of Amber being an abuser.